sanibonani, please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bafethu, South Africa lost to Canada 1-0. Officially World Cup iphelile South Africa. Danko asiphume lapho. Ngila ku evidence mahope. Abantu baloku bayenza ama excuse. Hayi mara phela yena uyadefenda. Awu mfethu, when we strike mfethu. Lento yokudefenda jikijiki ma angeke kora ngithi uyadefenda ufaka ipressure lapha phambili. Come on guys. Evidence mahope mfana. You are not a striker mfana. You are not a striker. You are just scamming people ngalento ku strike and uzokhohlisa abantu abangazi. Thina we played football bro. When you are a defender bro, the whole World Cup ufail ukushaya shot on target. The whole World Cup you have 0 shot on target, mara you call yourself a striker. Actually shot on target oyitholile uphase ugoalkeeper alele phansi against South Korea. Uphase ugoalkeeper zilelele phansi, wamista ipali livulekile ugoalkeeper alele phansi. Bro mkhuluma iqiniso, it's not too late. Yabo uPitso Msimane ngabe kudala converter into a defender. Pitso Msimane ngabe kudala converter into a defender. And the number 2 bafethu, lama player Pirates asikhawathile ku national team. You know why? Ma player Pirates, they are not fighters. They don't know how to fight. Everything abayitholayo is given on a silver platter. Why am I saying so? Orlando Pirates ithenge i-league. You can try and justify lento ukuthi hayi ayithenganga i-league. Mawazi iqiniso, you know ukuthi Orlando Pirates ithenge i-league. So you cannot take ama player awine i-CAF Champions League nama player athengelwe i-league owafaka endaweni e1 uthi wena uzowapheka ufuna wonke avuthu. You can't. Orlando Pirates player Evidence mahopa yo mfana, you are the worst striker engike ngasibona mfethu ku World Cup. You are not a striker mfethu wena. Khuluma iqiniso mfethu, udlala i3 position 3 or udlala position 2. You are not a striker nyayala. The same thing bathi uyaya Sithole is a midfielder nyayala. You can't be a midfielder engakwazi ukuskena. None. Udlala ku international football. Hayi nyayala mfethu. Evidence mahopa, you are the worst. Thank